Yes. Yeah, Juicy can secure a job for Jones. After all, she has connections with CEOs and managers of other companies and stuff. So I think it is possible she can secure a job for Jones.
Yes and then no. Because as you know, sometimes ladies they bluff a lot, they talk a lot, they think they have all the connections. And so no, I don't think she can. And then, but yes, ladies they have all it takes to. You understand? If a lady want to help a guy out, they go all out. So let's see.
How could you do this to me? You just leave me alone all by myself.
So I give you your coffee, coffee, no back coffee.
You promised me heaven and earth. You promised me everything, and then you left me. How could you? How could you, Bernard? How could you? You're so mean. You're so mean. I hate you.
She didn't pick up. Oh, let me call her again.
Don't be me. I don't allow anybody into my life. This person disturbing me. Who is this person? Yeah, who is this? Why are you disturbing me this morning?
This is Jones.
Oh, sorry.
Yes.
Sorry, Jones. Yeah, Jones from where?
Yeah, we met this afternoon.
Oh,
Yes,
please give me a
Jones.
ticket.
You asked me to call you for a job.
Oh, okay. Have spoken to the CEO of Just Match Travel and Tour. So don't worry, I'll just show the details to you for you to go and meet the manager in person.
I'll be expecting.
I am through with everything. Sorry for the earlier issue.
All right, thank you very much.
Have a nice day. See you later.
Bye.